Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of CALBIOTECH FSH ELISA test kit. I'll just show you around the box. You can see the details here. It's CALBIOTECH FSH ELISA 96 well plate test kit. You can see the reference part number, lot number, and also the expiry date, manufacturing date, temperature range. It's manufactured in the US. You can see the complete details here. Well, I'll just unbox this for you. I'll just open this for you. Okay, here you go. Inside the box, you can see there is one IFE brochure. It says CALBIOTECH Follicle Stimulating Hormone FSH ELISA test kit. The FSH ELISA kit is intended for the quantitative measurement of FSH in human serum. So in this you can see there is a key contents also given here. You can just take a look. And this IFE brochure contains the detailed assay procedure and reagent details, and how do you test the results, how to compare and interpret the test results. These all details are given in the brochure. Just keep this here. And further, if you go inside, you can see there is one certificate of analysis. Yeah, here it is, in certificate of analysis. You can see there is one certificate of analysis. It says FSH ELISA kit, the lot number. And inside the kit, the key contents are micro wells coated with streptavidin, and FSH standard 1, FSH standard 2, FSH standard 3, FSH standard 4, FSH standard 5, FSH standard 6, and FSH enzyme conjugate 1 bottle, TMB substrate 1 bottle, stop solution 1 bottle, and wash concentrate 1 bottle. Here you go. Inside there is a 96 well plate. Yeah, I can take this and keep it here. You can see this here. It says streptavidin coated wells, 96 wells, and you can see the reference part number and also the lot number here. And inside you get all the solutions inside. I'll just go one by one. You can see this here. It's wash concentrate 20x, 25 ml. Put it back. And then you get the white cap one, which is the stop solution, 12 ml, and you see the lot number reference. I'm putting it back. And then you got the yellow cap, and that is TMB substrate, 12 ml. You can see this here. Putting it back. This is at top. It says FSH enzyme conjugate 2 to 8, 12 ml. You can see this here. Putting it back. And then you have all the standards. So you have different standards. You can see FSH standard 1, 0.5 ml. Okay, then you get FS standard 2, putting it back, and the FSH standard 3, 0.5 ml. You can see this here. You have the expiry period also on that. You can see the blue one, FS standard 4, 0.5 ml. You have the lot number, reference part number, and the expiry period. And then you have a purple FSH standard 5, 0.5 ml. And the red cap, FSH standard 6, 0.5 ml. You can see this. Bring it back. Insert. Quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of CALBIOTECH FSH ELISA test kit. You can see this here, the Follicle Stimulating Hormone FSH ELISA. And in this kit, in the 96 well plate kit, you get one IFE brochure and one certificate of analysis and 96 well plate, and you get different solutions which include the FSH standard 1 to 6, and you get FSH enzyme conjugate, and also TMB concentrate, stop solution, and wash concentrate. This is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.